Hello and welcome. I have in front of me a Dethleffs Yoka Go T1, cost 68,000 euros, and well, it's got a double door at the front, got some chairs here, and we've got these positions so you can put extra stuff. You don't want chairs in here at all. Now, open camper van, looks like a self-build to a large extent, but 60 for the money I've got to say buy for I don't know if I can call it a camper van. It's really a motorhome, to be quite honest. It does look a bit odd, but then again you might want something that's a bit odd. It's got plenty of space here, and what we do have here is this wardrobe. Now with these rails, I've got my proper name for them now. This happens to me all the time. Just I forget words. Oh, the lights are on despite it looking dim. Anyway, for these rails, you can actually get toilets now. Those Iveco offers them with their vehicles. This is clearly something that you build yourself. It is a motorhome because it's got the walls. It's not a you can see they've built it out from the front, so we've got the Ford here at the back, but the rest of it has been built by Dethleffs. I do like the idea of using these soft bags. I think that's a good idea. I thought of it for my own vehicle. I mentioned it in a video, I think it was Abenteuer in Allrad, a couple of years ago, and now everybody's doing them. So I'm not suggesting that I was the first one to think of this because it's basic common sense, but I think it's a good idea. The thing with the bag as well is if you can take it into your home and fill it up, it takes much less weight, and not only that, is that you put the bags where you need them, and you can get, and if you hit your head on them, it doesn't hurt as much as hitting your head on a on one of these, for example. And it does happen. I've hit my head several times. There you go. Pull out fridge under here, and a sort of kitchen below. Induction power, fast and economic. Well, it is if you've got the power inside to actually do it. In fact, the power could be said to, I don't like to use the word free, because nothing's free. You've got to buy the solar panel, you've got to buy the battery. And the cost of the solar panels and the battery might be what you use on gas for the rest of your life. But let's say it's free, and but the problem is with cooking electrically in a motorhome is that it may drain your battery, and so you've gotten very little for other things later, and you can't actually cook the later time. No, don't say I still believe in gas. I was really into electric, and you can see my videos from even not all that long ago when I was still promoting electricity, but 6 years ago certainly, I was really into electricity. Anyway, experience and mathematics have changed my mind. Let's have a walk outside as well. And there you go, 68,000. That's what it looks like at the back. These things are said, these are for young people, but the thing is, if it's for young people, well, young people don't go to the toilet. I seem to recall going to the toilet when I was young, and one place we shouldn't be doing it at all is outside and getting all campers a bad name. So I'm really into doing things properly, dumping the waste at proper places, dumping the water at proper places, and not using vehicles which are not self-contained, to use the word used in Australia and New Zealand. So anyway, there's the Yoka Go T1. In my opinion, a complete and absolute misunderstanding, but that's my opinion. Other people might think differently, and if you do, you might want to put your opinion below. And sometimes people change my mind, but to kit that out with all the stuff you're likely to need, then it's going to be quite costly. So it's 6 meters long, as I recall. Width is 220, and quite honest, it looked a lot wider than 220, so I'll give that one. But then again, as it's more or less empty, you expect it to look like that. Thanks for watching. Hope you found that interesting. All the best from me in Germany.